Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to delete TikTok account. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your TikTok application. Let me just redo it. Simply go to your TikTok application and at the bottom right you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on that. Now at the top right corner you can see a three-line icon. Simply tap on that. Now go to settings and privacy. Now here what you have to do is simply go to accounts at the first option. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the deactivate or delete account. Now wait for it to load and you will see something like this. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the second option, that is called delete account permanently. Simply tap on delete account permanently. Now what you have to do is answer some of the questions that are given to you. You can also skip the question by tapping on the top right corner of the screen, the skip option. Simply tap on skip. Now you will see something like this. You can download your TikTok data, which means all the TikTok videos and information that are on your TikTok account will be downloaded once you have tapped on this red button, that is the request account. So after doing all that, what you have to do is tap on this option, that is by continuing you reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account, and you will see a red button like this. What you have to do is simply tap on continue and follow our step and your account will be deleted. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.